What up, y'all? Welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. I got a quickie recipe for you today, and it's a sheet pan dinner. We're making a salmon niçoise salad all right here in the sheet pan. Check it out. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab some fingerling potatoes. These are some gold Yukon potatoes, and just have them. Drizzle with a little bit of oil. This is some macadamia nut oil, but use what you have. Sea salt, pepper, garlic, and onion. Toss it together. Then we're gonna spread these out on a baking tray and make sure that they are facing down. So for the protein, we're gonna use salmon. Keep it simple with sea salt and pepper, and remember to use oil as a binder. Once potatoes are finished cooking, you're gonna flip them over and then make some space in the sheet pan. We're gonna add in green beans and cherry tomatoes, spray them with a little bit of oil, sea salt, pepper, toss together, and then make another hole in the middle of that sheet pan and add in that salmon. Technically, you can cut the skin off the salmon, but I recommend keeping it so that way, in case you overcook it, it doesn't dry out. Place this back into your air fryer for 10 minutes at 410 or back into your oven at 420 for 10 minutes. Then broil for 2 to 3 minutes to brown the top of the salmon. While the sheet pan is cooking, we're gonna boil some eggs. And for this incredible dressing, you're gonna dice up some anchovies, then add olive oil, garlic, freshly squeezed lemon, Dijon, black pepper, and a splash of white vinegar. Whisk until it's emulsified. Bringing it all together, chop up some red and green lettuce. Then add the roasted green beans, potatoes, and tomatoes. Then add the eggs, the salmon, season it up with some black pepper, and don't forget the Kalamata olives. And drizzle that dressing right on top. Cheers.
This is a good salad. Wow. You sure this is a salad? Almost a big old piece of salmon for it to be a salad. He makes good salads, y'all.
One thing I like is the combination of the temperature. So even though these vegetables aren't piping hot, they are a little bit warm, but it's so satisfying with the crispy green lettuce. And of course, oh my God, our salmon is just so sultry. And I know even if you aren't a fan of seafood and you don't really like anchovies on your pizza, I can guarantee you're gonna like anchovies in this dressing. It adds a whole lot of character and personality to it. Otherwise, it would be pretty bland. You can grab the recipe, the macro breakdown, and plus tips and tricks over at the refreshed FitMenCook.com. Go and check it out, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and remember you have to ring that bell, ding, so that you can be notified whenever I post hot, quickie videos like this. Until next time, keep it healthful, but of course, never ever boring. Boom! And peace.